In this video, I'll show you how to build a website using WIX's new AI model. Firstly, create or sign in to your WIX account, which you can do for free. Click Create New Site. And then start chat. The AI will ask you questions about your website and business. You can be as detailed as you want. In this example, we will build a website for a local plumbing business. Once you've finished answering the AI's questions, click on Go to Dashboard. Then head over to the top right corner and click Design Site. And then select Generate a Design with AI. Using the information we gave earlier, WIX's AI model will generate a website from scratch. We can select it to generate a new design or make some tweaks. Here, we will select it to make some tweaks. Right, I like this version of the website build, so let's continue. WIX's editor will then open up. Here, you can make any more changes you wish, like color changes, adding images, or inserting more features. So let's add a new section. And place a contact form. We can also remove sections by clicking the generic section area and hitting backspace on your keyboard. Once you're happy with your website, click Save and Publish on the top right corner. You have now a website built using AI with WIX. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.